Good morning, Greenwood. My name is Paul Myers from Clark Communications here in North Bay, and I wanted to kind of show you something that we're doing for kitchen cabinet manufacturers with great success. This is something that we're doing. This is working pretty much in all markets where we can bring between 1 and 3 brand new kitchen deals to you on a monthly basis. So if that is interesting to you, I want to put together a quick video here that I put together that I'd love you to take a look at. It's 4 minutes in length. It'll kind of walk you through how we generate these leads and quotes for our customers. And if you're interested, hit me back up and I'll give you another explanation of kind of what we could do for you guys and how we can get the new year off to the right start, okay? People are frustrated with their current kitchens. They just came through Christmas and they were probably in a kind of an alleyway for a kitchen, if you will, and they want more space. They want a better design. They want new things. So I think we could offer some pretty cool things that would help you guys generate new business. And that's what it's all about, is new business. So if you're interested, hit me back up and we'll talk. Okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.